Govardhan scheme is a good scheme where gobar gas has generated by the waste of the agricultural product, and I have seen in some villages they are using as a gas, and today's gas price goes up. I think this scheme will be very useful. And there are many ways the waste in agriculture can be separated, dry and waste, and can be reused in the same farms. And that scheme, sir, we should consider much more seriously. The skill development, though it may not be part of this rural, but however, a rural skill development, many colleges or many schemes are there. But what I noticed in my work is a kind of confidence the skill should give. Along with the skill, they should have a personality development, learning language, and awareness of what is outside the village that makes them stronger, better and confident, and they can appear for any interview. Only by skill development it is not possible. We must have along with that language development and also personality development. Sir, PM Gram Sadak Yojana is one of the finest yojana, and I have seen villages having concrete road, connectivity has increased, but climate change is happening. So whenever you make new roads, sir, kindly see that they will be incorporating the new climate change when they build roads or make any new development in Grameen Sadak Yojana, so that they can be sustainable with more intense heat or less cold nowadays, but more intense heat or more rains. So this should be a new technology as much as possible. You should incorporate in that. By and large, sir, I feel when village develops, villagers develop, the unit develops. When villages develop, district develops. When district develops, the state develops. When the state develops, India develops.